Life is unpredictable. Unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss can hit at any time. Without an emergency fund, you might end up relying on credit cards or loans to cover these expenses, which can quickly lead to more debt. Not saving for emergencies is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes young earners make. Financial experts recommend building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. The emergency fund isn't just a financial buffer, it gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have money set aside to handle life's unpredictabilities means you won't need to dip into your retirement savings or go into debt when things go wrong. One of the most common but overlooked financial mistakes is not budgeting. You might think that budgeting is just for people struggling to make ends meet, but in reality, everyone, regardless of income, can benefit from having a well-structured budget. Without a budget, it's easy to let money slip away without a clear plan for where it's going. You might overspend, miss savings goals, or fail to track your progress toward bigger financial objectives. Start by tracking your income and expenses, and create a system that works for you. There are many methods, such as the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your income into needs, 50%, wants, 30%, and savings, 20%. You can also use tools like Mint or You Need a Budget to simplify the process. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about being in control of your money and having a clear path to financial freedom. The allure of the next big thing in the investment world can be irresistible. Whether it's the latest cryptocurrency, an NFT, or a hot new tech startup, many young investors fall into the trap of chasing hype without doing proper research. While speculative investments like these can be profitable, they come with high risk. Often, hype-driven investments can be volatile and unpredictable, leading to massive losses. The best approach is to invest with a long-term strategy in mind. Instead of jumping on every new trend, focus on investments with strong fundamentals. Start by diversifying your portfolio with index funds, ETFs, or other stable options that provide reliable returns over time. Do your research before making any investment decisions, and only allocate a small portion of your portfolio to high-risk assets. There are a few other common mistakes young people often make with their finances. 1. Ignoring student loan debt. While student loans may seem like a burden, it's crucial to make consistent payments. Failing to do so can damage your credit score and hinder your ability to access other financial opportunities. 2. Lack of tax knowledge. Understanding taxes is vital, especially if you're self-employed or earn income from multiple sources. Take the time to understand your tax responsibilities to avoid surprises. 3. Skipping insurance. Whether it's health insurance, car insurance, or renter's insurance, not having proper coverage exposes you to unnecessary financial risk. Managing money in your early years can be overwhelming, but avoiding these common financial mistakes will put you on the path to success. Start investing early, stick to a budget, spend wisely, and always be prepared for unexpected expenses. By implementing these smart habits now, you'll set yourself up for a future of financial security and freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful financial advice. Thanks for watching, and keep striving for financial independence.